Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 10th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla's stock. We are going to look at the stock from a technical analysis perspective, looking at the stock chart, try to find patterns early on, and then try to profit from those patterns. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research, make your own decisions. So Tesla closed up $11.34, 1.89%. That's 610 and 12 cents. Post market seems to be down 24 cents. So basically, we broke out today. We broke out today of this resistance that we have had for, well, since mid-April. So this long resistance had been broken 2 days ago, but then only intraday, and we closed back down at the end of the day. And the same thing yesterday, we closed down, and today we officially broke out of it. You know, it could have been a bigger breakout because basically the resistance is at 606 and we closed at 610. So we are a couple of bucks out of it. And then today at 7 p.m. Pacific time, 10 p.m. Eastern time, Tesla is going to be presenting their Tesla Model S Plaid event. So I am sure something will be happening with the stock tomorrow, depending on how Elon and Tesla can impress us. So if we are impressed, if they have some surprises, I would not be surprised that the stock would be going up. In terms of support and resistance, right now what we have in play is this support right here, that we touched May 19th, and we also almost touched June 3rd. So we have this support that is showing some strength, because we have support at 560, but this is kind of a sideways support. I prefer a diagonal upward support because it shows that the stock is having some pattern of going up, a bullish trend. And we also have a resistance at 624. So the stock is really stuck into a triangle, an ascending triangle. So the angle is right here, and the horizontal line is right here. So the stock is stuck between these two lines, and based on what the theory of technical analysis says, when you are in an ascending triangle, the stock is supposed to go up. Boom. It's supposed to break 624. So this is what it's supposed to happen. Today we have a longer wick at the top, so it shows a little bit of weakness towards the end of the day. But it's still a green candle. A green candle, it's hard to fight a green candle. When it's green, it's green. It closed higher than the price it opened at. Let's go to the 1 hour chart quickly to see if we cannot decipher anything else. So basically this is the 930 chart. So 930, nice green candle that broke us out of the resistance I was talking about. Boom. With a significant volume, So that's interesting. So some people are loading up, on Tesla, probably because of tonight. Then we mostly were going sideways, a little bit higher, another green candle, and look at how this fourth green candle of the day touched this resistance here. Look at this, This is my trend lines. I don't have the same trend lines now within the intraday hourly chart than in the daily chart. So this is why you might be seeing other lines. So I do lines both for the hourly chart and the daily chart. So yeah, we've been following this as a resistance, and now it caved in during since 1:30 and 2:30, and then at 3:30 we have a green candle. So we see some strength. We see some strength in the stock from an hourly perspective. From a daily perspective, let's look at the indicators a little bit to give us a bit more information about what's happening intrinsically with the stock. Well, stochastic is pretty high, 71. Very happy about that. So this is indicating that there's a significant strength in the stock. And remember, we have the MACD that crossed over not too long ago, and the DMI is getting closer and closer. So so my wish would be that we have a great event tonight, and then the stock launches. If it launches, then breaks 624. This is what I mean by launching. Then we still have this great big huge resistance that we will need to break out of. I would be surprised that we would be breaking out of that one. So if we have a good evening, we might just go towards that resistance, but I think the stock is going to cave in. This is just my guess. This is just a guess. I won't invest on a guess. I can guess it. It's free to guess. It's free to guess. But I will invest when I see it happening. That's the difference. So this is why when I speculate, don't use my speculation as stock advice. I don't give any stock advice. I just speculate based on what I think is the most probable thing to happen. But there are different things that can happen with different degrees of probability. So if we have a good event, then this could be happening. If we have a lukewarm event, then the stock might just be yield under 624 and then hopefully rebound on this support here before continuing to go up. But also, if we have a really bad event, then the stock can go back down to 560 easily, because this is where we have had this long time support. So let's just stay peeled to what is happening tonight, and then look at the stock tomorrow and be ready to act if we need to act. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I produce a Tesla and Palantir video every single day. If you subscribe, you will see them in your feed automatically. Please like and comment. I read all of your comments. We have a Discord server where you can chat with like-minded people. We also have a Patreon account, and we have some TradingView, what's it called? TradingView sponsored affiliate links. If you care to pay for TradingView to have lots of indicators. So I'm going to wish you a great Tesla event and a great night, and we are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.